Welcome back to Illustrator. In this really quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit metadata here in Adobe Illustrator. So I have Illustrator open. On a Mac, go up to File, down to File Info. If you can't find this spot on PC, just go to Help and start searching for File. You'll find File Info right here. That's going to pop open all the basic and less basic metadata for your file. Now, this metadata will save both on your Illustrator file and also on any images you export. So you can see the basic data here, the document title, we've got the author, description, you can even rate it, add keywords, and then you have your copyright information down here. You can look at camera data up here, and there's a whole host of other data that you can input or look at here in Illustrator. Now there is a preferences tab. There's not a whole lot to it, showing the error log, enabling autocomplete, not a whole lot there. You can also save or import and export templates. So if you have a templated metadata or you're trying to add the same metadata to a lot of different documents or files, this is where you can do that. That is how to edit your metadata here in Adobe Illustrator. And once again, that will save out to any file that you save or export from Illustrator.